Alright, here we go. Actually, hold on. Chaos, where you at, slut? Where you at? I joined in a previous live stream. Oh yeah, I think if I remember you, I don't know. It's just been a crazy day. We have a 24-hour live stream. It's fucking gonna be epic. So, Chaos, where you at, ho? Nice hair. I hate my hair. I know you're fucking lying, epic. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Where you at? Holy. Are we dying? Are you dying? Dude, do you got cops on you? Bro, what the fuck? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Alright, so, what the fuck? Oh. Wow! This motherfucker! Shit, 24 hours, yes, I gotta prepare, hell yeah. It's gonna be long. D-Stream, what's going on? Fucked it, fuck, it's 24 hours, enough allowed. I thought you were gonna stream yesterday. No, because I didn't prepare for this. Fuck you in that chair, bro. Alright, guys, here we go. We need to do this shit. Let's get this started. What's a good... Can, can guys, can we get a fucking... Are we able to get at a certain location? Alright, here, you know what? I actually got a good hiding place. Hold on. I think it's over here. I got a certain location I like to do these at. Hold on. Kill yourself, fucker. Fuck, hardcore bike. What's going on, dude? They're going off, man. Holy fuck. Alright, let me see. I got a certain location I like to do these at. Hold on. Dude, my ear is hurting. What the fuck? Fucking headphones. What? What? Tall, gay. Hold on, guys. We're gonna get into it. I'm just trying to see if I can find that location again. Shut the fuck up, workroom. Well, I'm trying to figure it out where this place is that I usually go to. Alright, I think we're getting close. Should be really close. Alright, hold on. Yes, alright, here it is. Alright, 5-star, right? Hey, I'll be back in 24 hours. Okay, Adrian. Alright, here we go. There's like a certain place I like to go, so. I'm doing it. I'm doing it because people asked. Fuck you talking to? Alright, so we're gonna do a 5-star. This is about to go fucking hard. I don't even know how to do this. Can we get in the, can we do it in can we do it in a car? Yeah, but I mean like alright. I guess we gotta do this. Bitch. Alright, here we go. We're starting it now. And it starts now. Who's up here with me? Okay. 5 inches deep in your mom. What the fuck? What the fuck are you killing me for, dude? What the fuck, bro? Yeah, guys at my location. Fucking asshole, dude. You think my parents will be pissed if I'm staying up 7 a.m. where it's 5 p.m. right now? I don't know. It depends. Who's shooting at me, dude? Alright, motherfucker. Alright, guys. I got my talkies on. Oh, talkies are the best, homie. Hell yeah. Why am I dying, dude? Fuck. Alright, I definitely will, man, if we can get into this. Alright, here we go. Chaos, you're fucking gay. You're fucking gay. Chaos is so gay, oh my god. Alright, we're up here. We made it, I think. Alright, there goes one. We got one down, baby. Here we go. We're starting this shit up now. Oh, I can't even kill the helicopter with my pistol, huh? This is gonna be hard with just a fucking pistol, bro. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. Holy shit, I'm dying fast. I'm dying fast, dude. What the fuck? Bro, I was dying fast. What up? I'm back. What's going on, Christian? We're trying to do a 5-star challenge real quick with the pistols. This is actually really fucking hard. SMS pistol? This is hard as fuck, dude. Oh, I'm dying again, dude. Try hard. Man, you know it's bad when people come into my stream saying he's try hard. That was funny, dude. I rolled. I was like laughing. That was mean. It was funny though. Nothing personal. Chaos. I love you. I love you. I don't know about them, but I love you. Have you done the heist yet? Yes, I've done it. My pubes are on Adrian's face. What the fuck, Daniel? Yes, we did. We have done the heist. But all right, dude. 8, 3, 4. Fuck. We got 4. We got 4 now. God damn it, dude. All right, guys. We got 4 right now. How do you even get fucking 5 stars with a pistol, man? Like, dude, how long is that gonna take us to get 5 stars with a pistol? We're not on GT4, are we? We're on that, you know, on G. Ah, who's shooting at me? Hold on. Can you use a car? I don't think we can use a car because they just said only pistols, so.
What potato would you be? I would probably be a very beautiful one. Excuse me, bro. Turn your fucking ship like attackers, not me.
I don't even know. Hold on. I meant to say. Alright, guys. Oh my god, I'm dying. Alright, hold on. We're going up here. I don't know where we're fucking getting shot at, bro. That's how bad it is. We're going up here. Fuck it. We're gonna try to get the 5 stars from up here. I don't even know how. What the fuck?